Welcome to the magical world of science. Today we're going to explore how we can change the volume of sounds. I'm Miss Ray, and I'm thrilled to be joined by a very curious scientist in the making, Kaira.
Hi, Miss Ray. I'm excited to learn about sounds today.
Great! Let's start by thinking like a scientist. Have you ever noticed how some sounds are louder than others?
Yes, like when my brother plays his music really loud.
Exactly. Now, do you know what makes a sound louder or quieter?
Maybe it's how close you are to the sound.
That's a good observation. The distance can affect how we hear the sound, but there's more to it. Let's explore further. Imagine a singer using a microphone. The microphone picks up their voice, and an amplifier makes it louder. Then, the sound comes out of a loudspeaker. This whole setup is called a sound system.
Oh, like at a concert. So, the microphone and amplifier help make the sound louder.
Exactly. Now, let's try a simple experiment. If you listen to a sound through a long cardboard tube, what do you think will happen?
Maybe the sound will be louder because it's traveling through the tube.
That's a great hypothesis. Let's test it. If you listen through the tube, the sound waves travel directly to your ear, making it seem louder.
Wow, that's cool. So the tube helps focus the sound waves?
Yes, and that's a key part of understanding sound. Now, let's talk about how we can plan a fair test to investigate sound.
A fair test? What's that?
A fair test means we only change one thing at a time while keeping everything else the same. This helps us see the effect of just that one change.
Oh, like only changing the distance of the sound source and keeping the volume the same.
Exactly. In science, we call the thing we change the independent variable. The thing we measure is the dependent variable, and everything we keep the same are control variables.
Got it. So if we wanted to see which material muffles sound the best, what would we do?
Great question. We'd use different materials like newspaper or bubble wrap around a sound source in a box. Then we'd listen to see which material makes the sound quieter.
And we'd keep the sound source and distance the same, right?
Exactly. You're thinking like a scientist. Now, let's wrap up. Can you summarize what we've learned today?
Sure. We learned how sound can be made louder with a microphone and amplifier, and how to plan a fair test to see which materials muffle sound best.
Fantastic! Thank you for joining the magical world of science. Keep being curious, and remember, there's always more to discover in science.